Board. All right. All right, so here we have this Mustang design here. All right. And what's so great about this is you can pretty much highlight this whole thing like this.
Right.
When you highlight the whole thing, over here on the right in the live template editor, you can hit find text and it's going to pop up all of the text that's in that file.
Right.
After doing so, you can just click right here on Kissimmee High School and we can change this to, what would you like to change it to?
Kingsbury High School.
Kingsbury?
Yeah.
K-I-N-G?
Yep. S-B-U-R-Y.
B-U-R-Y, Kingsbury High School?
Yeah.
Now, I know that you see that it's in lowercase right now, and that's cool because in the design wizard, we can click on this little arrow here.
Right.
And we can change it to uppercase.
Bet.
Boom. All right. Now, what, 2023 right here?
Uh-huh.
So we click on 2016. Let's just change that to 2023. Boom. And then, well, right here, varsity.
Varsity, cool.
All right. And from Mustangs, we're going to change Mustang to
Falcons.
Falcons. Basketball, right?
Right.
Okay. Well, right now we're going to close this little side. Well, okay, nothing is merged together. They usually have like double outlines and contours or whatever. So we're gonna close this window down. We don't need it right now. So what's the colors?
Baby blue and maroon.
All right. So we already got the maroon in there. I would probably go like with the baby blue. You're gonna just play with it. Uh-oh. Let's go back. So right here, I want to right click on this and ungroup all objects.
Right.
Because everything was still pretty much grouped together. Now we should be able to click on this piece here, and we should be able to change that to the baby blue. Boom.
Right.
All right. And, ooh, that's slick right there. Okay. But let me see something. I want to see what it looked like. I like to flip and bounce it. Baby blue there. And let's get that same color maroon. To do so, we come down here to our
picker.
Is that the picker? Yeah, that's the picker. All right. And we're gonna pick that maroon. Boom. And it should add it to our palette. Let me go full screen. Oh, you can't make this screen bigger?
If I press maybe control and plus, maybe. Let me try it.
Yeah, go ahead and try it because it looks so tiny on my screen. I'm talking about this whole screen right here. I tried to maximize it.
It's big as hell on mine. Let me see. You might have to change the. Let me see.
Yeah, that's just zooming in.
Yeah, right.
Okay, we're gonna work with it like this. I thought I was able to get that screen bigger. All right.
You want me to go bounce some more?
That's good. That's cool. All right, we're gonna change this outer line to, because I can't see the bottom. Where the color was at? Where I saved the color at the bottom, the maroon.
Oh, the palette.
Yeah. Click on that maroon so you can change that blue. Okay. Boom.
You
No,
see
we
this
was
right
trying.
here where it says selected color?
Yeah,
So I
yeah,
think that
yeah.
might,
But like I just saved that. I'm about to save this. Hold on. I keep populating to the. All right. Boom. All right. Now that blue should populate down here at the bottom on the left hand side. You should see like the maroon and the blue.
yeah, but I think it went to the top up there where it selected color.
Okay, okay, okay. Because what you got? You got 2023 Corel?
X8.
Yeah, that's same. Well, I'm working on X7. All right, so we're gonna click on that and see. I can't see the color palette, so I'm gonna just use these colors right now. Boom. Yeah, I think it looked better the other way. What you think?
With the maroon at the top.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right. Maroon there, there. And I'll leave everything else as is for real with the black in there. Or you think all of it should just be maroon and sky blue?
Oh, normally the way I do my graphics, if I have a color, I offset it with another color after that, and then the same color after that. You know, like flip back and back. So if that maroon right there, I'll come baby blue basketball just to see, you know, and play with it and see how the graphic would look.
Yeah.
I'm talking about that banner.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. All right.
And then put that basketball in black. You know, just play. You gotta play with it just to see, and
Yeah.
then that maybe be
Yeah.
stay like
Maroon actually
yeah, yep, yep, and basketball white,
and white. Yeah.
yeah.
Boom.
Also,
I
so
still think it.
you change the colors on the rhinestone rather than the palette all the way to the right, right?
Change the color. Yeah, I'm changing the color over here in Design Wizard. Versus I use all the colors. Like I even move this over and drag colors from over here.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Because they just got the basic colors the colors of the stones over here.
Right.
But when I'm designing, it's just quicker to just grab a color from here. Like you know what I mean? But if I need a specific color, I'll go hunt through the color wheels. Like you know what I mean?
Right, right.
All right.
Pantone and RGB, you use both of them?
Yeah. I use for the most part I design in RGB.
Gotcha.
All
Man,
right, so
I can't wait till I get this here, boy. I got a special technique I'm gonna do with this because I screen print. So I
yeah,
got something real nice going on with this here.
like right here for this Falcons, if that's going to be the main part in Rhinestones, what I would do is I would go here to our place and field tab and choose an island to the outside, one island to the outside, the contour spacing. I like to play around with it. So right now, let's just do a 0.12 and see what that looks like. Island field. That's not
Oh,
bad.
oh
Let's
yeah.
make
Oh
that
yeah.
black.
Ah,
That ain't bad. And I like to right click on this X to get rid of the outline that was on it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this blue. And I'm going to break this curve apart. Why I want to break it apart is because now we got the well, actually what we can do is click on the red, hold shift, click on the black, and then just make the falcons a little smaller by holding shift and coming down here to the corner. You see the
right,
crosshair comes up,
right,
and then let's just resize it.
right.
And I'll probably stretch it this way. So I'm holding shift again, then I'm grabbing it from the side just to give it.
Right.
Boom. All right, my zoom is a little.
You know what?
Yeah.
Do something for me.
Talk
Do
to me.
the outline in maroon and the baby blue inside of the Falcon, baby blue. Right. Right.
All right. That ain't bad. Now, to get the stones inside of the Falcons right here, we'll go to our place and fill tab. I was already there. Screen so small. For rhinestones, you always want the contour spacing to be 0.075.
Okay.
And we want to add stones here. And I always like to click on Magic Path as well. All right. I like to deselect everything by just clicking here in the side in the white area. And I'm going to just click on yellow for the stone color. Then I'm going to click back on this blue for Falcons. So that's the object we want a rhinestone. And let's see what a hatch field. Wait a minute. Let's see. How big is this? I always want to make sure you got your size of the image where you want it to be. See, it's at 7.0. All right, let's make our workspace just a little bigger. Let's go. Me personally, I work with 13 by 19 inch sheets.
Oh yeah.
For my sublimation, when I'm sublimating stuff. So most designs I like to make them like 7.097. That's probably for a lady small. Let's go.
Oh well, I got a 44-inch printer, so size ain't a problem.
Yeah. But you want to size it up for the garment, though.
Right.
Oh, what happened? It froze?
Mm-hmm. Did it? Be trying on my end. Yeah.
That's what it did?
Because you can't do nothing with it, and I can't do nothing with it neither.
I hit save.
Jack right now. Let me go.
Oh, it won't even let you save it?
That and then go back. Now. Should
all right.
Be, no. Damn, what's going on?
Oh. Let's see here.
I need to erase some stuff, man.
Boom. Let's open up a new one. Let's see if we can Control C this. And let's just paste it over here. All right, and let's just close this one all down together. You want to save changes? No. All right, there we go. All right, so now we got a size to 10.418. That ain't bad.
Right.
All right, let's click on our Falcons and let's hit this hatch field to see what it looks like. I like using hatch fields because it gives you the most stones left to right.
Right.
We want to clear the paths always and then merge overlapping stones. All right, and that's what it pretty much gave me, which ain't bad. You know what I mean?
Right.
It gives me something to start with and gives me something to work with.
Right.
You know, let's click on one stone, come over here to select all of the stones of the same size and color. Boom. And then whenever you do that, you want to click back over here at the top in Corel Draw. Boom. That way you can be able to delete those stones. If you don't click right there, if you click over here in the white area, you're just going to deselect everything. So you want to click up here after you've selected everything here. All right, we want to click on Falcons again, and I'm just going to do an island field now to see what that looks like. clicked it, didn't I? I did. Looks like it.
Froze again.
Looks like it froze again. Yeah.
Let's see. You might have to keep it open. Shit.
It won't even let me go to. Now it won't let me go to.
Like I did at the bottom and come back up like that. Korea. You go to Korea. And then go in here. Go in one and then come out the other.
Oh, I see too. You got multiple Corels open.
Yeah, that's why I was saying delete some. Let me delete some, man. I was just messing around because it's gonna be slow when you got a lot of pages open.
Yeah, because it ain't letting me operate it at all.
Let me see something. Okay, hold on. All right, just crazy.
Yeah. When you in that one screen, go down to that Corel. When you click on that one, exit using the X in the top right. Like just close out that whole. No, like when you click in there and Corel drop comes up, use the X up here in the corner.
Which one? Get the control.
Right here, this one.
Oh.
Oh, see, it ain't letting me. It ain't even letting you control this.
I wonder what's going on.
Yeah.
Let me see, man.
What we gonna do is, because we got like 2 minutes left on this recording right here. Close everything down, restart your computer, and then we gonna start it again. You know what I mean?
Gotcha. Doing it right now.
All right.
Restart it, close everything up. When I open back up, just close everything.
And I'm talking about restart the computer altogether.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, doing it right now.
All right.